En absoluto. What does this mean? Hi everyone, welcome to another video. The Spanish word of the day is going to be a Spanish expression. And this expression is en absoluto. En absoluto. This expression is usually in negative sentences. That means you will see the Spanish word no, which means no, in the sentence. En absoluto means at all. Sometimes you will hear en lo absoluto. En lo absoluto. This sometimes is more commonly used than en absoluto. Now let's see a few examples using this expression. No me gusta eso en absoluto. No me gusta eso en absoluto. No tengo ningún problema en absoluto. No tengo ningún problema en absoluto. Now let's see a few examples using en lo absoluto. Desafortunadamente mi novia no me amaba en lo absoluto. Desafortunadamente mi novia no me amaba en lo absoluto. No sé cocinar en lo absoluto. No sé cocinar en lo absoluto. No me molesta en lo absoluto. No me molesta en lo absoluto. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!